Good morning everyone. Hope you were understand about our last topic, consolation tournament. About tournament, its type and procedure. Now our next topic is seeding method or special seeding method. There are two types of seeding, that is firstly simple seeding, which we can say buy also, or special seeding, which will be given to the special team or player in the competition. So firstly we will start with seeding method. We will follow same steps which we had followed in knockout competition. Here we have number of team 12. It is the even number, n is equal to 12. Now we will divide into the teams in two half. So we have in team number of team in even number, then we will go for n divided by 2. It's 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 team in both half. Number of matches n minus 1. It is 12 minus 1, 11. After that, rounds. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 rounds. Next power of 2, 16. Now comes on number of buys. For number of buy, it is next power of 2, 16 minus total number of team 12, total 4 buys, or here we will see it as a seeding. It is seeding. 4 seedings are to be given here in this knockout fixture. So now we'll fix the seed. Number 1, it is bottom of the lower half. Next seeded goes to upper of top half. Next, third is goes to first team of lower half, or last fourth one is goes to last team of upper half. 4 buy or seeding, it is also called buy. So the team will never play in first round, as same we are following in buys also. So now match is 1, 2, 3, 4. The first round fixture, 4 matches are to be played. The team which is had got seed, they will directly enter into the second round. Winner of this match will go to play against these seeded teams in second round. After that, in third round, here semi-final stage, round number third, or this is the round number 4. Here we have final match. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Number of matches 11. Number of rounds 4. Total seed 1, 2, 3, 4 we have given. This is the simple seeding method which will be followed by the every competition or tournament. In this kind of special seeding method, the team or player will directly play in quarter or semi-final stage, those who had got top seeded or special seeding. Top ranking players like in lawn tennis, table tennis, badminton, chess, or top ranking teams which are to be selected by their points or numbers are getting special seeding in special competitions. In this kinds of competition, no bias will be given to the maximum teams, only top 10. If the teams are or players are called for competition, then 2 special seedings are to be there, or 20 teams or 20 top players are to be called for the competition or challenging tournament, then 4 special seeding are to be given to the top 4 players, not to the others. So top ranking teams or players will get special seeding in this kind of competition. Especially this special seeding is followed in the individual competition, not into the team competitions. So here we will start to fix the special seeding. Special seeding, firstly example, we will call top 10 players to play lawn tennis, badminton, table tennis or chess competition. So we will fix first special seeding will be given to the bottom. It means in top 10 the player will not play in first or second round, they will directly play in third round. This is the semi-final stage. So other players, they will play their matches as their schedule. First round, then second round, after that it is the third round. Here the seeded team will play their first match in semi-final stage in the case of top 10 teams or players, or in case of 20, this is the quarter-final stage. So in special seeding, special seeded players or team will not play in first, second or third round, which we can also say before quarter-final or semi-final stage. And next, round number 4, here we have final match. So this is the special seeding. Difference between seeding method or special seeding: in seeding method, the team which is got seeding, they will not play in first round, they will start playing from the second round, whatever round is to be there, it is quarter, pre-quarter, semi or quarter. But in special seeding, players or team will directly comes to play in the quarter final or semi-final stage, they will not play before the quarter. This is the difference. So I hope you will clear about it. If you have any queries, you can also ask, and you can also message me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.